let me introduce my Nissan Patrol. Everybody know the Nissan Patrol is one of the best off-road car in the world, in history. But one problem, everybody who had Nissan Patrol know the problem is engine. Engine is big problem. No power in diesel. No power, no torque, no anything. Yeah, and whoa, so many mistakes in engine. Yeah, but this Patrol is very special. The engine is 4.2 liter benzene gas. It's absolutely perfect combination with automatic transmission. Yeah, you know the no problem. I got this car 6 or 7 years and I had no problem with this engine. Yeah, and power is really nice from I don't know 1000 torque and more, and you got still a lot of power. So, and look, 30 years old baby. Yeah, of course on paint is many dents. Yeah, of course, but it's old lady. Yeah, 30 years old lady. What can I say? Yeah. Oh yeah, just a little bit rust, but 30 years old and still is just rust no deep. It's perfect, I think, I hope. Yeah. Oh, so nice. So nice. Oh my god, these bubbles. Very bad work. Very bad work from guys in the shop. But what? And here is just no rust. Oh, little bit rust here, but oh, here I did hit a tree. Yeah, it's a big problem. So it's blade of steel here. On this I hit big tree in Romania. Oh, so history about this Patrol is very interesting too. I found this Patrol 10 years on internet, and before 6 or 7 years I found this Patrol on Czech internet site, and I say, oh my gosh, it's not possible, and this car is brand new in Czech Republic. Oh wow, what is it? It's a miracle? Yes, probably it is. So I bought it in 1 minute. Yeah, and what I did, of course, yeah, new lamp, yeah, new headlamp, yeah, absolutely new components like a Ironman suspension, adjustable panhard rods, everything, new gaskets on balls. So yeah, you can see the Ironman, and probably everybody want to know something about the frame with this old Patrol. So look that, guys. Yeah, my very absolutely most favorite screwdriver, and we try it. Look that. Yeah, no rust. Yeah, probably, of course, you can find the rust on this frame, but 30 years old off-road, I like this asphalt. Yeah, it's very good for your car. I know that many people hate it. Yeah, but I like it. Every single year I do it. I got this car, and it's so old car too, and it's like brand new. Yeah, and you can, my second favorite. Nothing. It's very good. Yeah, of course, panhard road adjustable is in rear side, of course. Yeah, look at that. I think it's good now. What do you mean? What do you mean? It's good or not? Yeah, of course, I like a pen. I'm painter. Oh no, I'm joking. Yeah, no oil. Yeah, probably some oil leak. It's good, but not like a sea or ocean. Yeah. Okay. And then we can see the spa. I think it's still good. See another side. We can see another side. Yeah. This is some steel. I don't know what is it, because the previous owner had here steel bumper. So maybe I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. You can see here is a little bit rust. Yeah. About these water holes. But for me it's not so bad. We'll go on the other side. What? Good or not? I think it's good. And now a door, an interior. Yeah, of course, yeah. A little bit rusty here, but it's not deep. Here. Absolutely no rust. I'm so glad. Oh, and the rear part of interior. Yeah, rear AC, rear heating. Oh yeah, it's a problem of all the Patrols. I know it. I know it. But I think its interior is very well. And what's the good? It's AC. Yeah, in Petrol AC, you cannot be in sunny day in heat and be like pick. It's perfect. Yeah, and driver side. I know a little bit dirty. Sorry, guys. Yeah, but everything is good here for this year. Yeah. Oh, snorkel. Oh yeah, original steering wheel. It's good, and just about 2060 no miles, kilometers. European, of course, is a European version. It's very special. Automatic transmission, yeah, locker, four-wheel drive, and I installed electric anti-function. Nice. Oh yeah, I like this thing. It's very good. Oh yes. Remove. Perfect. I installed the navigation and camera and something else. It's very good in terrain, on action. So, what can I say? Original and brand new. How you can see the engine, something is a little bit dirty, but good. I bought a new battery, but if I'm in America, because I live in America, I don't know, 3 or 4 months, and I'm coming home and the Petrol start on first key touch, and engine is boom, it's perfect. Yeah. No rusty. Oh, how heavy it is. How heavy it is. It's very heavy. Oh, CB, of course. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. LED lamp. Oh, dirty, sorry. I got here a bed for 2 or 3 people, but now it's outside of car. Maybe on video it's not so good, but in reality it's very nice and dark. Oh yeah, I bought a new air locker because it's much better than original in Nissan. So I need to install it for locker. You can see some bad paint here. Tree. My favorite tool. Also, what can I say now? Oh, I show you. I show you how crazy it is. Where I have a key. I like it. Like it. Of course, I got everything, every original spare. I have a home on my storage. It's really nice. So it's good. This Patrol, I think it is. Of course, it's new. It's not brand new Lexus. It's not brand new Lexus. It's 30 years old grandma. It's realty. It's realty. But I had no problem with this car for 6 or 7 years. So somebody who wants a good old special Japanese off-road with this powerful engine, it's a very good choice, I think. And history of this car is good. You got two options: off-road car, or we'll do it from this car absolutely original. But I don't know what's the better. It's a choice.